Hello, gorgeous souls, and welcome back to the Fashion Style Toward, the one-stop destination for every woman who loves to walk tall, walk proud, and walk in style. Today, we're stepping into a world of the elegance, attitude, and bold fashion as we explore the three icons of high heels culture: sandals, pumps, and buckles heels. So grab a comfy seat, maybe your favorite pairs of heels, and let's dive into the magic of stylish steps. Let's begin with the epitome of warmth, weather, elegance, high heels, sandals. These are the shoes that let your feet breathe while your fashion speaks. From sleek stylos to chickeny blocks, heels sandals are the go-to for the effortless class. A nude sandal can scratch your legs visually and match with almost any outfit. Want something bold? Try crystals embellished straps are a vibrant metallic finish that catches the light with every step. They are the perfect for summer weddings, garden parties, rooftops, dinner, or just a sunny day out. A pair of gladiator sandals with a boho dress, or go minimal with thin ankle straps and a silk mid-skirt. Every step in sandals feels lighter, but your styles feel heavier in the best way. Add a touch of shimmer to your toes with glossy nail polish. It enhances the beauty of open sandals intensely. Next on the runway, we bring you for the forever classic pumps. No wardrobe is complete without at least one good pair of pumps. These are the heels that mean business, elegance, and mastery all in one. With their closed toe and sleek curves, pumps are the perfect match for power suits, pencil skirts, or even denim with a blazer. You can choose from soft pastels for daytime elegance, glossy black for boardroom boldness, or fairy red when you want to own the sport light and the heel height. Whether it kitten or killer, the magic lies in how you wear them, not how light they are. Pumps are the perfect. I have got these shoes. They turn your posture straightener, your steps stronger, and you every steps energy sharpener. Always match your pumps to shape with your body language. Pointed to show confidence, rounded ones add some softness, superior ones they are pure fashions, forward attitude. Now let's turn the age up a little. Say hello to the bold and beautiful buckled heels. These shoes are not for the shape, but their strong straps, metallic buckles and structures build. Buckled heels bring a sense of strength and attitude to any outfit. Think of a black leather pair with thin gold buckles. It serums boss energy, or a soft shoe with delicate silver accents, elegant but with a twist. You shall often find buckled heels in ankle-post styles, combat inspired fashion heels, or even delicate strappy heels with decorative buckles for fairs. They are the perfect with leathers, pants, cropped trousers, or even a bodycon dress with a blazer thrown over. Match your accessories with the buckles. Hardware gold buckles go for earrings or statement rings. Silver keep it cool and minimal. Still wondering which heels are right for you? Let's with grace. Slip into buckled heels when your outfit need a bit of rebellion and age. Remember, you do not just wear heels, you wear confidence. You wear confidence. You wear expressions. You wear you. Then it's for spending time with us at Heels Magic, where every step is a story and every heels is a crown. If you loved today's videos, give us a thumbs up, comment your favorite style below and hit that subscribe button. New videos drop every week, from trend updates to timeless styling tips, because walking in heels is not just about fashion, it's about walking in your power. Until next time, stay fancy and stay stylish. Let's start.